Hi everyone, welcome back. This is the part 3, the final part of our octopus tutorial. In this video, we will assemble both pieces, add the stuffing, place the eyes, and finish all the face details. Our octopus is almost ready. In the part 1, we made the body and the top of the tentacles. In the part 2, we created the bottom section with the suction cups. Now, let's bring everything together. Let's start by placing the eyes. Count 15 rounds from the top and place the eyes between rounds 15 and 16 with about 9 stitches of space between them. Now, add the stuffing to the body. Make sure to fill it evenly, not too tightly, so the shape stays soft and round. Now, we will join the two parts together. Align the tentacles from the top and the bottom sections, and start making single crochets all around to connect both pieces. As you go, adjust each tentacle so they line up nicely. Also, don't wait until the end to add stuffing to the tentacles. Fill it to one as you finish joining it. This will make the process much easier and give a better final shape. Now, let's add the face details. You can embroider a small mouth, and if you'd like, add eyelashes and eyebrows. If your octopus is a girl, you can include eyelashes and a softer expression. For a boy version, a simple mouth and eyebrows work perfectly. And that's it, our octopus is finished. I love how soft and cute it looks, and the no-seal tentacles make it even more special. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss the next characters from Waterworld. And let me know in the comments what color you would choose for your octopus. I'd love to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching this full tutorial series. I hope you enjoyed making this octopus as much as I did. See you in the next video. And don't forget, this is just the beginning of our Waterworld. More friends are coming.